Hi, this is Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Well, we're into November, middle of November. People start thinking, what is the market going to be like in 2025? We just got a forecast today from BCREA. They're saying that we're going to get a lot more sales of single-family homes all across British Columbia in 2025, but that does not mean higher prices, a lot higher prices. On average, they're talking about 3.3% of increase in price with activity up. Now, why is that? They're saying because the market was slower this year, even with more inventory coming on, there's enough buyers, right? There's going to be more buyers coming on because interest rates are down, longer amortization periods, a few things the government's done to bring more buyers into the market, that it's not going to cause prices to spike up. Remember, lower inventory, more demand mean higher prices. So for 2025, if you're thinking you're putting your home on the market, it's not going to be a lot higher than today. Hey, if it's 800 today, 824 in the spring, perhaps. But the good news is it's going to sell, and perhaps more quickly than it might have in 2024. If you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit that button below and get it back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.